Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Celine. If you are new, welcome to my channel. Welcome. Welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. It's absolutely free. It's the red button somewhere here or here. It's absolutely free. YouTube won't charge you, and I most certainly will not charge you. So please join my family. Let's have fun. Let's enjoy this ride called YouTube together. And your views and your comments always encourage me to keep doing what I'm doing. In as much as I enjoy making videos for you guys, your views and your comments go a long way to encourage me to keep doing what I'm doing. So yeah, please feel free to subscribe, feel free to comment down below, and yeah, let's interact, let's have fun. So yeah, today I am going to be doing this video has been long awaited. Like, I was supposed to do this video a long while ago, but for some funny reason I never got around to doing it. So today I'm going to be doing a one brand makeup tutorial. So yeah, today's tutorial is going to be a BH Cosmetics tutorial. So when I first started off my makeup journey or my YouTube journey, BH Cosmetics was one of the first products I ever bought. Like, they have been like my go-to, my ride or die when it comes to inexpensive products. And yeah, so over the years I've accumulated a lot of things from them. So yeah, I was like, I actually have a full face. Like, I can actually do a full face of makeup with all the products that I have from BH Cosmetics. So I was like, why don't I do a one brand makeup tutorial using BH Cosmetics? So here we are today. I'm still in my nightwear. I'm definitely going to change. You know the drill. You know, I'm gonna look like a bum now, but it's all gonna come together. It's gonna come together all. So anyways, I'm not going to ramble too much, it's just going to be a normal makeup tutorial. But almost everything I'm going to be using I'm still going to incorporate things from other brands in the tutorial, but 97% of all the things I'm going to use on my face today are all BH Cosmetics. So guys, let's jump right into this tutorial.
Hey you, I saw you from the distance. Hey you, can we talk? Hey you, I think you're my subsistence. Hey you, or am I wrong?
So for my brows, the first thing I'm going to be going in is this BH Cosmetics Studio Pro brow palette. So this is what it looks like.
You are no more than a dream.
So I think I'm gonna just be using, use this shade and probably this shade. This line is like the brow wax, then this is like the brow powder, or these are all brow powders. So this is the brow wax. So you can either use the powder on its own, or you can use like both together, but I'm gonna be using both together. So yeah, so guys, skin work is done. My skin is prepped. Can you see that glow? Like, my skin is just Jesus. Anyways, so yeah, so I'm just going to go in with these two for my brows today. So yeah, this is my first time actually using. I I got this brow palette like early this year, but I have never used it even on my clients, so this is going to be my first time using it. So let's see. I'll probably do my like brows off camera with the palette, then I'll come back and because brows take so much time, so I don't want to waste too much time. But yeah, so let's do this. Okay guys, so I am back. I won't lie, I struggled a little bit with doing these brows. I used the brow kit, and I also use this foundation and concealer palette. Like, this is my first time using it. I haven't used it before, and like, I'm not sure I like this. Like, the formulation is just like so light. I'm not sure, it's not my favorite, but for the sake of this video I'm gonna use it. So anyways, the brows are done. Now go manage the brows, or honestly, so there, the brow struggle was real. So I don't know what I'm gonna do for my eye makeup today, but I'm gonna try and see if I can do something off camera. Then I'll come back and then we'll do the other eye. So I'll see you guys soon. Okay guys, so this is what I have come up with. I've not done a halo eye in quite some time, so I wanted to do a halo eye. So yeah, so we're just gonna do this eye right now. Coming a little closer. So I forgot to show you guys the brush set I'm using also is from BH Cosmetics. This is their 9-piece, is it 9? Yeah, 9-piece brush set, and I have a few random BH Cosmetics brushes around. So basically these are the brushes I'm using, this one, and not all the brushes, like some of the eyebrow brushes I'm using are not BH Cosmetics because I don't have a lot of eye brushes from BH Cosmetics. But yeah, so these are the brushes I'm using today, plus the other ones in between.
Or am I wrong? Hey, you, I saw you from the distance.
So once that is blended out, I'm going into my BH Cosmetics 120 first edition. This is the first eyeshadow palette I ever bought from BH Cosmetics, so it's only right that I bring it in, you know.
Hey, you, or am I wrong? And now, I lose my own. It's like my love is out of my mind. And you are not more than a dream. So wait, can you even hold me? Hey, oh hey. Baby, you are not more than a dream.
So I'm just going to quickly draw my wing liner and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so my wing liner is done, so I'm going to go back into to give it, because if you look really closely, um, the eyeliner on this side kind of has that greenish look. So to give it that look, I'm just go over top with it. I'm going with this first duochrome eyeshadow. So just taking it, I'm just going to
I'm wandering slowly. There you are, no more than a dream. Hey you, is this all you wanted? And hey you.
so I don't have a BH Cosmetics blending sponge, so I'm just going to use my normal beauty or my normal blending sponge.
Yeah, it's true. You're all I want. And now I lose my own sight. My love is out of my mind. And you are none more than a dream. So wait, can you even hold me? Hey.
So I'm going to go into this. This is also a BH Cosmetics foundation. This is like a really dark shade. So I'm going to just blend everything out now with this dark foundation. This is like one of their first foundations they came out with. Like, see how dark it is. So that's why I wasn't bothered or worried. I'm sure you guys were like, damn girl, what you do? So let me blend everything out now.
Go kiss somebody, oh. Say the ginger go kiss somebody, oh. Aje. Mananti, baby man, oh,
So I don't have a setting powder, so I'm just going to use this. I'm going to mix these two together to set my under eye.
take on to the left, oh, yeah. Baby girl, you're my desire, yeah. I no go leave you, run away. The lady marry, bless you with body, oh, baby. Star boy go, bless you with money, oh. Angelina, look what you done to me, ah, yeah. Girl, I be falling for your love. Baby, you wanna chop and cook. Baby girl, you bustin' my brain. Now who born this fine girl? Check I for run.
Not bad. Powder is not bad. What you guys think? I think the powder is actually quite nice.
Steady driving the local. Never taking my photo. Yeah, like you girl in particular. Yeah, you in particular. See you like your waist in particular. Yeah. I am looking for a sister. Joba, my lover. She get the dollar. She a wear designer. Oh, somebody.
So I'm just going to coat my bottom lashes with mascara. For mascara, I'm using my Bobbi Brown.
Hennessy for my cup and it ain't for body, oh.
So then taking that, I'm gonna take this first duochrome shade and just highlight my brow bone with it.
Mananti, baby man, oh, man, oh, show my dog, watch all my dog, if I tell you do like this, how much should I do like this? If I tell you do like that, Almost she might take on to the left, oh yeah. Baby girl, you're my desire, yeah. I no go leave you, run away. The lady marry, bless you with body, oh baby. Star boy go, bless you with money, oh. Angelina, look what you done to me, ah, yeah.
Okay, so for the glow, I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlight 6-color palette, and I'm going into the shade called Radiant.
For runner for you, but you only one for the door now. I remember saying it wasn't easy. Right now everything's amazing. Steady driving the local, never taking my photo. Yeah, like you girl in particular. Yeah, you in particular. See, like your waist in particular. Yeah.
So guys, for my I finished off my hair. What you guys think? So now for my lips, I'm going to be going into this. This is the BH Cosmetics Ultimate Lip Palette.
Hennessy for my cup and it for body, oh. Galons, your duty, Larry, all of my girls and body go kiss somebody, oh. Say the ginger go kiss somebody, oh. Aje, mananti, baby man, oh, get it. Omonge man, oh, get it. Omonge show man, oh, get it.